In this video, I will show you how to create a separate page for blog posts in WordPress. The theme that I am using is Revolution Pro. In your dashboard, go down to Pages and click Add New. I would name this page Blog, but you can name it anything that you want so that you will know that it's your blog post. So I'm going to go ahead and publish it. Now when I view the page, it's empty right now. Now we're going to go, and now we're going to set it up so that it is where all of the blog posts will show in the future. In order to do that, you go down to Settings, and then you go to Reading. And for your post page, you click on Blog. Now you can change the number of blog posts you want shown on the page, but I'll just leave it at 6. And you click Save Changes. Now when you go back to your blog page, it now has all of the posts that you have. Since this is a starter site, you only have the introductory posts, but all of your blog posts would be on this page. Now, in the past, up until recently, there was a separate blog page template which you use to put all your posts, but that's no longer used in more recent updated themes. This is the way that you do it. And if you want to customize the way your blog posts show on that page, you go to your customizer under Appearance. And then you go to Theme Settings and Content Archives. And this is where you select how you want your blog post to show, how much content you want, either excerpts or a numbered amount of characters. You decide whether or not you want to display the featured image, what size you want the featured image to be, how you want that featured image aligned, and you also say how you want the blog pages numbered, previous, next, or in numerical order. So everything that was in the blog page template in the past can now be found here in regards to how to make a separate page that includes all of your blog posts. This is a little different from the past. I had to do a little research to figure out how to do it after this newest update, but it's simple, so everyone can still do their own blog page, and I hope this helps you to see how.